But I want to see if this could be used on both, and I think it's being used in both now. One of them might be a little too loud, so let me turn that down a little bit. Um, but yeah, I got to build my YouTube up. I mean, I've been slacking on it, and my YouTube is monetized at that. Is monetized. I do really well with my YouTube shorts. I just got so caught up with TikTok, I kind of let it fall to the wayside. Yeah, that over trading mentality is definitely something that will hurt you. It's not that it can hurt you; it will hurt you. You know what I'm saying? But I hope the music isn't too loud. Oh yeah. Oh, I've been knew why they came for TikTok. I've been knew that. I've been knew that. Hey, what's going on, Tim? How you doing? Oh yeah. Oh man, NQ today did exactly what NQ was supposed to do. It did exactly what NQ was supposed to do. When it was time to go down, it went down. When it was time to go up, that boy jumped up. You hear me? You know what I'm saying? It did exactly what it was supposed to do. So I'm not mad at all with the market. I was like, man, it worked. I don't think it could have worked any more perfect. It was nothing today could have done better. It did exactly what the market was supposed to do. When it was time to go up, it was like, all right, let's go up, guys. Boy, and I made my money smooth. I was not sweating bullets. I was not hoping it went down on the trade. It was just like, yo, take the trade. Here's your money. Here's your money. Thank you. All right, my stream is now live on YouTube. Bop, bop, bop. Gotta pay attention to YouTube. You know what I'm saying? You can't ignore one social media over the other, you know? Because I mean, I ain't gonna lie, the money that I make on YouTube is good money. I think I just took it for granted. Oh, you like seeing how we trade? Hey, we be getting. You see, I wasn't in there long. I was like, hey, all right, guys, gotta go. Boom. You know what I'm saying? But John's a good dude, man. John, he knows how to trade. And he not only does he know how to trade, but he knows when to tell us as more new to trading. I'm not new to trading, but he knows how to say, okay, hey, this is when I'm a place of trade. You know what I'm saying? He says it in a way to where you're not scared to take the trade, but you feel confident, like, all right, let me go try and do this trade. And he explains why. You know what I mean? Yeah, I got my money and left. Hey, Mrs. M in the building on the YouTube. What's going on? Everything sounds good over there, Mrs. M. You know what I'm saying? Testing out the YouTube stream both at the same time. I mean, I got a computer strong enough, might as well. Oh man. So yes, it was saying something about the audio. Microphone not available. I don't know. It looks like the microphone working on both ends over here, but I keep getting a notification saying that the microphone is not working. So I don't know. This is the first time in a while that I stream both at the same time. So maybe they're just confused. But if I got to get another mic, then I'll just get another. I mean, I have another mic. I have another mic over there actually. So if I have to, I could pop two mics on here. You know what I'm saying? It ain't nothing. I got equipment. I got equipment everywhere. I got equipment everywhere. Old equipment, new equipment, it all still work. So Tim, did you feel as though today's trade room you got your money's worth as far as like if the cost of it? Like are you like did he reach out to you? Did he teach you like how we use the indicators and stuff like that? In the zoning, did he talk to you about how he does the zoning and stuff? Okay, yeah. Once you start seeing how we those how he got those indicators and the zones on his screen, man. Once he tells you how that stuff how to read that stuff and how it works, you're gonna be like, well, why didn't anyone ever tell me this? Yeah, like those indicators, like the anchored stuff, man, it gets crazy. You be like, man, this makes it so much easier. It makes it so much easier. Yeah, yeah, coming from Tradeovate to Ninja, but I mean they're both owned by the same company, so you know. But yeah, it's a transition, but I think Ninja Trader does have a better system. Yeah, y'all come on in. Everybody want to learn a little something? Come on in. We just talking about trading. That's all. Going over the trade day. All my people, all the people on YouTube. Hopefully they come back. My YouTube used to be booming, but I ignored it too long. So all the people that used to be in my YouTube, they don't be there anymore. So hopefully they come on back. Yeah, yeah. I think it's faster. You know what I'm saying? It's like close, boom, get it done. But I do like Trade of Eight. I've tried Trade of Eight. It's just Ninja Trader is my jam. And I think Ninja Trader to me is more user friendly. And when it comes to making money, you want something user friendly at the end of the day because money is money. Nobody's trying to lose money because they're moving slow. Oh, that's what's up. That's what's up. Yeah, tag as many people as you want to. Yeah, I'm trying to get my YouTube crowd back because at one point my YouTube before I even started going live on TikTok, I would go live on YouTube like during the pandemic, during the whole pandemic, back in 2019, 2020, 2021, I would go live on YouTube and my YouTube crowd was booming during the pandemic because everybody was at home chilling. You know what I'm saying? So now they died away because I went to YouTube. I went from YouTube and went to TikTok, and everybody that was on my YouTube no longer there. So I got to build that back up because if they try to take this app away again, I want to make sure I still have access to people to find me. What's going on, Jay? He said, let the craziness commence. Yes, it has been a regime change. It is a new regime. Boy, this weekend when old Tiki Tok disappeared for 12 hours, I was sick. I didn't even really notice it because I was in the bed sick. 9 to 5 day trader, what's going on, man? Yeah, man, all last week. My son was home sick all last week, and then once he started feeling better, guess who else got sick? Yeah, boy, right here. I was down Saturday, all Saturday, and half of Sunday. I was down bad. I didn't even leave my room. Yeah, I was knocked out. People crashed out. people, I seen all those people overseas talking about the Americans are gone. We have TikTok all of our own. Yeah. They also said TikTok was quiet without the Americans. You getting the back pay. Getting a back pay. Back pay for what? Getting the back pay. Hold on. I like back pay. What we talk about here? Yeah, but today was a goody day. We was we was in the trade room today just getting bags. Like look how much the market moved. Look at all this movement going on. People retired in 2020. I didn't hear nothing about back pay about you gotta explain what's going on. If it's too much to type in, you know what I'm saying? We could you call me after this. Once the news hit tomorrow, it's gonna be a movie. Hey, look, as long as the market moved the way it need to move, I'm trying to jump on all the movement. Give me the loot. Give me the loot. Okay, Trump signed an executive order. Okay. You knew the stocks. What's good to invest in? Education. Invest in education. I can give you stocks till I'm blue in the face. It won't help you at all if you don't know what you're doing with it. I can check when Fed is. Let's see when the Fetty Wap is. When I look at the I get hypnotized. Let's see when's the Fed going on up in here. When is Jerome Powell gonna run his mouth? All right, so we got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Wednesday looks nice and clear. Clear skies except for 10 o'clock. Some president speaks. We got retail on Thursday. President Trump speaks is tentative on Thursday. I'm not trading. That's going to be crazy. Pandemonium. Friday does not look fun, guys. Look at Friday. Friday looks like a shit show. Friday looked like a shit show. Flash service PMI. We got all types of stuff happening overnight. I'm not playing around in the market overnight. I'm not trading the Asian market. I'm not trading the London market. I'm leaving that alone. So Fed must be next week because it ain't this week. Military didn't take the jab. Military didn't take the jab. Oh, I did see something about that. And full pay, full back pay. Whoa. Whoa, that's big. Justin, what I mean by invest in education, when I first realized I wanted to learn about the stock market, I paid people to teach me. I paid 3, 4 instructors within the first, I guess, year and a half of me learning the market. So that's what I mean by invest in education. I have a trading course if you want to learn how to day trade, which every day we click buttons and make money. That's day trading, basically. Money that you made that day, every day. My course is right at the bottom, right at the bottom, mhtacademy.com. That's the education. I will teach you how to day trade. But I can't just say, hey, buy some shares of this. It's not going to help you much because you got to know when to buy, when to sell. You have to have a little education in it. Well, hey, that's what I'm waiting on. Waiting on them tax cuts. Let me know what you're going to do for the businesses. Yeah, Trump gonna drop a bag now. How do you cash out? Um, the prop firm that you use, I use Apex. So I just go to Apex website and I type in how much I want to cash out and hit execute. And within a couple minutes, they tell me if I could get it or not. Normally yes. I mean, I've never been denied a payout. But as long as you follow the rules of trading, you will get a payout every time you ask. Every time you ask for a payout, you will get it as long as you follow the rules of trading. because everything has rules, especially when you're borrowing money from somebody. If you borrow money from somebody so that you can make money, it's gonna come with rules. I know if you borrow money from me, it's gonna come with rules. If you give somebody money, aren't you gonna have rules behind it? You know what I'm saying? So anytime you borrow money, just know there's gonna be rules attached. Nobody lends out money with no strings attached. And that's business or personal. I still got a little cold left. Trying to knock it on out. Take a little NyQuil here and there. Pop a little Dayquil. Yeah, but today was moving and grooving, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the moves I made today. The moves I made today was simple, nice and calculated. They were nice and calculated. All right, so let me move this along a little bit. So right here is where the market opened up at. The market opened up right here, 9:30. This candle right here was the open of the market, 9:30. It immediately said, Geronimo, I'm going down. The market did exactly what it was supposed to do, people. It did look at this. It went down. You see this little yellow line I have here? I told myself, if the market comes down to this yellow line, I'm buying it. If it comes to this yellow line, I'm buying it. Look at it. I'm going to zoom in so y'all can see it. That mug stopped right on the line. Look, it stopped pretty much dead in its tracks. It stopped right there and went right back up. I had this line marked since early this morning. I said, if it come down to this line, I'm buying the market. I bought the market. It shot straight the hell up. No hesitation. That's what I mean by the market did exactly what the market was supposed to do. Look what it did at the S1 pivot. It came back down. You took a little bit of heat, but then it said, nah, dog, I'm going to go right back on up. You took a little heat, it went right back on up. Played no games today. The market did exactly what the market said it was going to do. Look at this. When it bounced up, look, what I tell you, these little dotted lines right here, I just clicked on it so you can see it. But when the market closed below that line went from support to resistance. When the market bounced, it came back to that area. It is no longer support. It is now resistance. The market went above it. You took a little bit of heat, but guess what? PP, that is the central pivot. Get down. Get down. Money on the way down. The market did exactly what the market said it was going to do. And we made money so smooth, it don't make no sense. Days like this are good days in the market. It goes up and down at the point it's supposed to go up and down. The market is calculated. These are not random movements, right? If you don't know what you're looking at, it looks like it's just moving random. It looks like it's just going up and down whenever, all willy-nilly, whenever it feel like going up and down. That is not true. The market is moving in a sequence. It is moving in a pattern. You, as a day trader, just have to learn to see what those patterns are and take advantage of them. That's it. That's all day trading really is. Support, resistance, they call it different things. Liquidity zones, you name it, it's different words to it. At the end of the day, we're just looking for patterns. And the more you trade, the more you look at the market, the easier it is to see these patterns. Bloop, 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 bloop. Just like 9 to 5 day trader said, today was beautiful because we are day traders. When the market moved the way it moved today, it's a beautiful day because we see it. We see it. You know what I'm saying? Like a 4K big screen. You know what I'm saying? we look at this market so much. When it's a good day, we see a good day. You know what I'm saying? We're like, oh, it's one of them days? Oh, yeah. We gonna get this. it was a nice narrow range trading day, meaning the market moved from here to here. Bop, 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 bop. It moved perfect sequence like it's supposed to. And we took advantage of the movements and got our money and got the hell on. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to be in this market for 5-6 hours a day. This is not a 9 to 5, okay? This is not one of them things that you got to be here all day to do. You know what I'm saying? At any given time, I could look at the market and see good points of placing the trade. Is money moving all day? Is money moving all day? It's a little slower right now because it's after lunch. The London market just closed, if I'm not mistaken. The London market closes around 11, 12 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? So it slows down a little tad bit. You know what I'm saying? But let's look with the current day. That's earlier today. Look at it. Look at it. Just going up. And look, it's getting close to some of my other levels that I have. So look, it's getting close to some of my other markets that levels that I marked up. Am I going to trade? No, because I don't trade this late in the afternoon. But it is coming upon some of my levels. What happened if you buy down? You lose money? No. This type of trading, we make money whether the market goes up or down. Your only job is to know when it's going to go down and when it's going to go up. You know what I'm saying? And it's certain strategies, it's certain things that I personally teach. Most instructors are going to teach you how to find what happens in the market that's going to give you an indicator that is going to turn around. You know what I'm saying? What is an indicator that says the market is going to start going the opposite direction? See that brown line right here? Look what happened. I've been had this brown line marked here, just like I got this yellow line and this white line. Look what happened when the market got to that brown line. It went a little bit above it and then it dropped down. That's money on the way down. That's money on the way down. I could have sold the market right here and made money on the way down. That's just the way the market works. You don't have to be special at all. You just have to take your time to learn what you're looking at. But that's what I did. This brown line right here, I marked that last night. That brown line is a 4-hour level. So I marked that over 4 hours ago. Look what happened when the market came to it. It went a little bit above it and then it shot down. That's money. If you would have sold the market right here, you would have made money on the way down. Support and resistance, fundamentals, baby. You got it, Jay. You know how I get down. I don't even know what bunk is, Mr. Rubble. I don't look at crypto. This is the futures market. But yeah, Jordan, that's how the market works. This brown line is a 4-hour level. So that means I marked that level over 4 hours ago. I marked that level. You know what I'm saying? And look what happened when it came back to that level. Got smacked right back down. Get down. First of all, the market not just going to jump past a 4-hour level. That's a strong level. You know what I'm saying? So the market not just going to go straight past a 4-hour level like it don't exist. It's going to respect it 9 times out of 10. The only time the market does not respect a level is if it happens around news. Yeah, I seen that Trump meme coin. See, the thing with meme coins, you have to be in the game. You have to understand meme coin. You have to know how to buy it, where to find it at. You know what I'm saying? You have to know which ones to buy because there's a lot of rug pulls. You could buy a meme coin and go broke because everyone said buy it. You bought it for no reason. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? So if you know what you're looking for, you could buy a meme coin, get your money and get out of there before they rug pull it. You know what I'm saying? It's a tricky game. It's like a mouse trying to steal cheese from a mouse trap. You can do it. You can do it. But the chance of survival, you got it, very slim. It's very slim. That's the thing with meme coins. That's the best way I can explain it. It's like a rat trying to get cheese out of a rat trap. Not saying he won't be successful, but at any moment, That damn rat trap will snap on his neck. So you got to be careful with the meme coins. I played around with meme coins. I made some good bread now. I made more than I lost. I'll tell you that much. Look at that. I mean, look how perfect that movement was. That market came to that brown line, and look, it's still going down. I'm good, baby. I am good. I'm good. You know what I'm saying? I marked this brown line right here. I marked this brown line over 4 hours ago. And look what happened when the market finally came back to it. It got smacked right back down. Still going down. I'm telling you, boy, I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. Somebody calling from Arizona. Hold on one second. Let's see what this Arizona talking about. All right, that was nobody important. That was no one important. Zach, what's going on? This is not a pair. This is NASDAQ. NQ. NQ, big dog, NASDAQ. What you know about the NASDAQ? Yeah, this is the NASDAQ. Big money, big money. Love NASDAQ. Does Apex have a discount? I do not think so. I think it's a 50% right now. I think the biggest discount they have is 50%. I didn't get any emails. I didn't get any emails about a sale going on. But give me a second. I can check for you. Give me 1 second. I can check for you. Let me pull up Apex. Because normally when they do a sale, they'll tell me, or they'll at least send it out in the group. I don't see anything about a discount right now. They're more. It looks like they're more focused on their wealth chart stuff. Yeah, I don't see no. I don't see nothing about a discount. Yeah, sorry about that. But they do have a 50% is the last one I checked. You blew your 50K eval. What? Sorry to hear that, brother. But just remember, it does reset. So when your bill, when they try to charge you for the bill, it's gonna reset it for you. So if look at your date, look at your reset date. If your reset date is coming up soon, don't stress out. When they charge you for the next month, it's gonna reset the 50K back to 50K. Yeah, so don't get rid of it. Don't delete it or nothing like that if you don't want to, you know. But just know it's gonna reset. Resets at the start of the month. Okay. Oh, what's going on, Chris? That arrow was just showing how the market played around the level that I had marked up. So well, you know, that brown line is my 4 hour level, and this is the current market right now. Soon as the market came up to that brown line, it went a little bit above it, but then it ultimately went all the way down to here. That is a big Whether you believe it or not, that is a big movement. That is a considerable amount of moves. So let's look at how much money that is. I'll do the math for you as soon as I pull up a calculator. Let me pull up this calculator real quick, y'all. How does funded accounts work? Do you have to pay the amount every month, or how do they work? Okay, so Zach, with a funded account, well, you get an evaluation first. So you pay for an evaluation. The evaluation, whatever you pay for the evaluation, like if it's a discount, then you just pay that discounted rate every month. So right now they're 50% off. So it's gonna cost you like $70 for a 25K account. And it's probably gonna cost you $70 a month until you pass that account. Once you pass that account, meaning you made enough money to prove that you are a decent trader, they're going to charge you a one-time fee of like 85 bucks. Make sure you choose lifetime, and then you no longer have to pay it every month. You just have to pay that one lifetime fee of like 85 bucks, and you don't have to make a payment again. But that's only after you pass it. You didn't expect the market to go up like this? Yeah, I mean, yeah, we never really expected. Just remember, as long as you mark your areas that I showed you, it's all about how the market moves around those areas. Cause y'all know, I'm gonna show you another area that I marked. That red line, you see this red line? This red line is another area that I have marked. Look what happened. The market went up. The market went up to this red line, and look what happened. Went down. Went down. So that red line is a level, went down, and then look what happened again. The market finally broke above that area. It went to this area, went down, right? As long as you mark your areas, support and resistance areas, the market moves the way it's supposed to move around each area. Okay? Look what happened. It closed above it. It got to this, got smacked down. Look what it's doing right here. Look what it's doing right here. It went back down to that red line and got pushed back up. Got pushed back up. Because what happens when resistance is broken? It turns into support. It supported it and went back up. You could have made money down here. Could have made money when this dropped off of here. Could have made money on the bounce up from here. That's 3-4 trades right there in this little bit of time. That's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 minutes. You could have took 4 or 5 trades right there in that 30 minutes. It don't take long to make money. The money was right there in your face. You just have to mark those areas before it gets there, obviously. Mark the areas before it gets to those areas so that you can see where they're at. $175 today. First trade was an L, but I got it back. Hey, that's what I'm talking about, Chris. Got it right back. Should I hop out my 526 QQQQC? That's on you. I don't want to tell you what to do with your own money. You said you closed the charts because it was playing. As you get better, as you get further along in your trade journey, you'll see those trades a lot clearer. It was a smooth day, but yeah, someone that's new, I can see how it would be choppy. If you blow the lifetime account, you have to pay again. Yeah, you have to start over. Yeah. So if you blow a lifetime account, yeah, you have to start all over from a trial. So yeah, you got to start over from the beginning. You have two. He said you about to open it back up. Resistance becomes support, and support becomes resistance. Yes, sir. See, I be giving y'all free game, like free game. It's a perfect example of how that worked. This red line was resistance. It got to the line, it resisted. See that? Look at that. The market was just up, up, up and away. Nope. Got to my red line, resist, went back down. You could have made some money on that first initial touch of resistance. But look what happened. The market went above it. Once it went above it, That is no longer resistance. It is now support. Look what happened when the market came back down to it. Support, get your ass back up, get on back up. Came back down to it again, get your butt back up. Is the support is now resistance. Resistance is now support. That's it. That's just the market. The market does what the market does. Is these rules have been in place because people that have been trading way longer than us, way before us. Y'all gotta understand the futures market been around since the late 1800s in America. You know what I'm saying? So the way that people teach you how to trade is the things that people have been teaching for years how to trade. Is nothing new under the sun. It may be newer ways of teaching you. It might be newer ways of explaining it. But at the end of the day, these is nothing new. I'm not teaching you anything new per se. I might be teaching you a different way of looking at it. Oil of oregano from GNC. Use it, knocks out all time. Oh, oil of oregano. I'll try that out. I'll try that out. I just seen it. I was like, oil of oregano. I like home remedies, or more natural remedies per se. Oh yeah, you know I got the jams on now. I got the jams on. Like when I trade, I like to be comfortable. I like to relax. Y'all, but look at how my levels are working right before y'all eyes. Look at how the market is working right before your eyes. It's not like I'm teaching you something that other people haven't taught. The way I teach might be slightly different, but look, all these lines are levels that I marked. Okay? Yeah, this is a 5-minute. Look at that. The market was going up. It stopped dead in its tracks at my red line and went down. That's some money you could have made. The market then went back up, went above my red line, but look right here. It stopped at my brown line. It stopped at the brown line and went all the way down here. Look what happened. Once it got back down to the red line, look what happened. It went right back up. The market, that's the way the market moves. You know what I'm saying? Resistance becomes support. Support becomes resistance. As long as you mark these areas before it get there, you can take advantage of them. The market moves just the way it's supposed to move. You just have to know what you're looking for. Look at that. This is one trade. There's one trade right there. Once it broke above it, here's trade number 2. Once it went down, here's trade number 3. That's 3 trades right there in a matter of 30 minutes. 3 trades in a matter of 30 minutes. Smooth trades at that. Oh, hold on, phone ringing. See, that's why I like to do what I do. My phone ring, I answer it. Hey, my son got a little runny nose. I go pick him up from school about 2:30. You know what I'm saying? I like being home. That's what I do. I like being home. I'm a homebody. I make money from home. I chill. He said the jam's hitting. Thank you. Appreciate that. But yeah, within the last 30 minutes of the market, I just showed you 3 trades. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not hard to make money, people. It's really not hard to make money. You just have to be patient, for one. You have to get the education. Stop trying to learn by yourself. You do not have to learn alone. That's the crazy part about it. With stuff like social media, is no reason why you should be learning on your own. I'm here. I'm here. Hey, I don't mind holding your hand. You know what I'm saying? It's way too. I don't. I don't gatekeep. It's way too much people out here to be stingy. You know what I'm saying? Tap in. You know what I'm saying? It's way too much money to be made to be gatekeeping every secret. Like, are you crazy? I ain't got time for that. You know what I'm saying? Money can be made. Y'all tap in. I have a whole course that teaches you how to do this. Look, every time, look, Chris says she's gonna open her chart back up. Ayo is Chris. She is a student as well. We did a pretty good live session this Saturday with my students, where showed the students a little other trades that they could do that's not necessarily in the course, but I practice with my students on the weekend. You know, I don't have one of those courses where you pay for the course and I just forget about you. Ebony, what's going on? Hey, your brother hit me up. I gotta respond to him. He just hit me up right when they banned TikTok. So I didn't see it until today. He hit me up right when they banned TikTok, so I didn't even see it until today. But I'm gonna reach back out to him. But yeah, I don't gatekeep. My course is really detailed. I think I do a good job at explaining things. But yeah, y'all just got to stop being scared. If you want to learn, come learn. That's what I'm here for. Yeah, I was sick this weekend. So when they banned TikTok, I didn't even care because I was sick. I was in the bed with the sheets up to here. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, I was down for the count. So that whole 12 hours that TikTok was down, I barely noticed. Hey, Ebony, while you're here, does your brother play any instruments? Just so I know. Just curious. Oh, I appreciate the gifts. A lot of times when I'm on TikTok live studio, it don't pop up on my screen like it does on my phone. But I appreciate all the gifts and the likes, guys. You guys are awesome. But look how this line is holding. Look how the line is not saying it's gonna hold forever, but that red line, once it crossed and closed above that red line, it's been holding like Normandy. They've been holding the line. Hold the line. I was hoping the market came back up here because these levels are some serious levels too. But even though my levels are working, the other side of trading is I don't normally trade outside of the hours that I practice. I'm used to practicing and trading the 9:30 open to about 11. 9:30 to about 11 is my time of trading. I don't normally trade after 11. I don't normally trade before 9:30. The earliest I've traded about 8:15 after 8:30 news. But I normally stay in my zone. So even though my levels are working, I don't normally trade this late. That's why I didn't place any trades on them. But I marked those levels this morning, last night sometime also. Some of those were marked last night. But levels, the way trading works is you have to trust your education. If your education say this is a good level, you have to trust your education. You know what I'm saying? You see a trade, take a trade. Because guess what? If you don't take a trade, you're not going to make money. At the end of the day, if you're scared to take a trade, you're just not going to get money. You know what I'm saying? You're not going to win every trade. Don't get me wrong. So just be more, I guess, careful which ones you do pick. But that's where practice comes in. once you practice, once you learn how to read the market, you'll have a better, uh, I guess, sense of what trades work today over other ones. And then once you start trading with a group of people, you got a whole group to back you up. But yeah, trading is not scary. It's actually really fun. And what's even more fun is once you start making money. So the learning process and getting good with day trading is really fun. And when you start making money day trading, it's phenomenal. Is no better feeling in the world than sitting here clicking a couple buttons, making a couple $100, and you didn't even break a sweat. You ain't really do nothing. Little Virgo, what's going on, man? Where have you and your cousin been? We gonna have to sit down and chop it up because y'all been MIA. I know I don't do options. I trade the future. This is the futures market that you're looking at. I used to trade options. I'm still pretty good in options as well. Little Virgo said it took 3 years after learning. Hey, sometimes it take a little longer than other. Yeah, future, like the rapper Future, futures. Yeah, you and your cousin disappeared, dog. I meant to call y'all. I meant to call you because I mean, phone work both ways. Don't get me wrong. Phone work both ways. I know. You know what I'm saying? But I meant to call this weekend, but then I got sick, so I was down this whole weekend. But yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all up if you don't hit me up anyway. Yeah, but today was a smooth day in the market to me. But yeah, I can't wait till Chris start getting those consistent withdrawals from the market. Start withdrawing that money. That's the fun part. Once you start withdrawing money on a consistent basis, it gets boy, you'll start loving the market. Trust me. You'll start loving the market. You be like, yo, I just withdrew $2,000. And I just took another withdrawal, another 3,000. And I just took another withdrawal. Like once you start making, two, three, four, 5,000 a month, and it just come like clockwork. You like, boop, let me get my withdrawal. Let me go in. Like, you don't even have to wait to the end of the month. If you like, all right, I got something coming up. Let me go ahead to Apex or Bullanox or whatever your prop firm is. Like, I need about 2,500. Bop, bop, bop. 2,500 in a couple days. That money is right in your bank account. 2,500. You know what I'm saying? Like, it trading starts to get real fun. Trading starts to get real fun. But you got to get there. That's all. You just have to get there. Sometimes it takes a couple months, sometimes it takes a couple years. You know, everybody moves at their own pace. I could tell you how long it took me, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's going to take you the same amount of time. It's all about how good you are with studying and practicing. But I'm gonna show y'all how much money you could have made off this first trade right here. Well, I know how much you could have made off that one, but we're gonna see how much you could have made off of this trade. That was 68.00 down to this because I would have got out at this line for sure. 4675. So from 6.7 down to 4.5. All right, let's do the math on that. 6.7 down to 4.5. So 6.7, and then 6.7 minus 4.5. That's 22 points, right? There's 4 ticks in between there. So that's 22 times 4 because there's 4 ticks in every point. That is 88 ticks, right? 88 ticks. 88 times $5. That was $440, people. $440. All right? That's money you could have made. I'm going to mark it up so you can see what I'm looking at. All right? From this point right here down to this point right here is $440. I don't know how that's going to look. That's 440. That little movement right there, that little movement is $440. That's 5, 10, 15 in 15 minutes. How many of y'all have ever made $400 in 15 minutes? How often? Let's change that. How often do you make $440 in 15 minutes? This is why trading is hard, because people make that kind of money in 15 minutes and they lose their brain. That's why. All the rules that they learned to make that 440 in 15 minutes goes out the window and they go cuckoo. They're like, oh, I could do it again. Trade, one more trade. And now they lost all their damn money. They lost all their money because it's not normal to make $440 in 15 minutes. It's not normal, people. So when it happens, people don't know how to act. That's why the hardest part about trading is you, the mentality of it. That's the hardest part about trading, is the mentality. Not the levels, not learning support and resistance, not learning how to buy and sell, not learning how to mark up your charts and put a line here, put a line there, draw this. That's the easy part. The hard part is once you learn how to do that, how do you control it? How do you control making $440 in 15 minutes or less? Because I've made more than $440 in less than 15 minutes before. You know what I'm saying? But it's something that snaps in a person's brain when it happens that way and they don't know how to trade. They don't follow the rules anymore. They break the rules and wonder why they lost money, because you broke the rules of trading. Trading has rules, just like everything else in the world. There's rules. Some rules are unwritten. Some people figure out what the rules are and wrote them down. Yeah, and like Ray said, grab the bag and go. You got 440 in 15 minutes. Why do you need to place another trade? Really? Really? If you made $440 in 15 minutes, why do you need another trade? Get the hell on. Get out of here. Now, if you have another account, then go ahead and take a trade on a different account. But that account that you made that 440 on, don't trade that one no more. Don't trade that no more. You got your 440, put it up. Go to another account. That's why we have multiple accounts. That's why you can have up to 20 accounts with Apex. If you took one trade and made 440, put that account away. That one is done. Get another account if you have to take another trade. Look at that. Ray said he scalped 180 in a minute. In a minute. Get up out of there. You done. Sit it to the side. Go grab another account if you got a trade. Get another account. Get some money. You know? But trading is fun. Stop looking at it as something that's scary to do. Trading is, you have a good time trading, right? You're not even using your own. It's not like you taking money out your bank and putting it in the market. All you did was buy an Apex account and you're playing with Apex money. Or Bulanox or Lilu or OneUp Trader, whoever you want to use. I just use Apex because I like Apex. But that's why I want people to understand. When somebody gets in my live and being like, trading isn't easy, trading is hard, 90% of people fail, I can tell you right then and there, he's not a trader. He don't know how to trade. He probably failed at trading. Top Step, it doesn't matter what prop firm you have. You know what I'm saying? the same point is still made. It's not your money. You know what I'm saying? So stop treating it like it's your money and being so scared to take a trade. Because you either earn or you learn. You either earn or you learn. Because even if you take a bad trade, it's not your money. It's Top Step money. It's Apex money. It's Bulanox money. So if you take a bad trade, learn from it. Try not to do it again. Learn what you did wrong, obviously, and keep trading. If you see a trade, take a trade. You got to trust your education. Flowbot is a copy trader. That's how we copy our trades. So Flowbots is this right here. This is Flowbots. It's just a copy trader. So it's Replicano. So when I take a trade with one account, it will duplicate on whatever account I wanted to duplicate on. That way, if you got, like, I have 15 accounts. If you got multiple accounts, you don't have to place a trade on each one separately. You could just say, okay, account number one, I want these accounts to follow whatever I do on account number one. So if I place a buy, if I buy the market with account number one, I want these accounts to also buy the market. If I sell the market with account number one, I want these to also sell the market. That way you don't have to click the button on each one. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what Flowbots is. And Hawk 20 will get you 20% off. It's only one-time fee to get a copy trader. So that'll give you, like, what's that? The 20% is like $40. That gives you $40 off. Don't stop. You don't really want to stop. But yeah, you guys don't have to learn this skill on your own. I'm an instructor, okay? MHT Academy, mhtacademy.com, or on YouTube is above, mhtacademy.com. That's the course. I teach you guys how to do this. Stop being scared. It's not hard. It's 2025. What do you want your 2026 to look like? You know what I'm saying? When 2026 get here, I want you to look back and be like, you know what? I'm glad I bought that class. I'm glad I bought that class. Do you have a Discord? I sure do have a Discord. When you buy my course, you get access to the Discord. If I gotta hold your hand, hey, look, every weekend I practice with my students. We had a good practice this weekend. How long did it take you to master your craft? I still haven't mastered it. I'm good. I think I'm good. I'm a very great instructor. Master, I'm not a master yet, but I'm very good. I make good money. But how long did it take me to profit? It took me 6 months to profit. It took me 6 months to profit. And trust me, in that 6 months, I probably could have made, I could have made more. I could have been profitable faster than 6 months. It's just I wasn't following my own rules. I'm completely transparent. I didn't follow my own damn rules. That's why it took me an extra 2 months to damn start making money consistently, because I didn't follow my own rules. My course is with a discount. If you type in early, is a $50 discount. So you're looking at $350. And I take Afterpay and Klarna. So I'm not trying to break the bank. I'm not trying to hit you in the pockets. I just want you to learn. Yeah, discipline. I'm telling you, that's the hardest part about trading, is the discipline. Discipline is the hardest part. I could tell you every strategy known to man. If you don't have discipline and patience, you're still gonna fail. You still ain't gonna make no damn money. But yeah, that's the thing. People want to know, how long does it take to be profitable? It's up to you. Like, I don't know what your practice skills are. I don't know how fast you can understand concepts. My background is electrical engineering. I was an aircraft weapons electrician, Embry-Riddle, aeronautical engineering. I have a degree in music business, artist development, um, branding, marketing. My mind is constantly running. And it still took me 6 months because I was being hard headed. I knew that I needed to make small amounts of money until I built a cushion. And for some reason, I won't call it greed. I'm just really, um, I like having a challenge. And I was just like, look, I want to make 400, 500 a day. And in the days that I kept trying to get 500, I was unsuccessful. You know what I'm saying? I kept losing money because a bird in the hand is worth two in the bushes. I would have 100, 200, 300 bucks, but my goal was 4 or 500. So I would bypass the money I had, place another trade trying to make 500, and I would lose it all. You know what I'm saying? So I had to follow my own rules and be like, look, I got $50. Cool. I got 100. Cool. I'll come back tomorrow. All right, I got 120. All right, cool. I had to build my way up to that 500 a day. You know what I'm saying? And it doesn't change. As you get new accounts, I treat a brand new account just like my first account ever. Just because my other accounts, I could do 500 a day, my new accounts, I still only do 50 to 100 a day. Because my new accounts are still new. They don't have a cushion yet. So if I have a bad trading day, I could lose that brand new account. But my older accounts, they have enough cushion to where even if I have a bad day, a bad week, I won't lose them. But with my new accounts, I still baby them because I'm a good trader, but you have to trade based on your trade skill and your account cushion. If you don't have a $3,000, $4,000 cushion, you shouldn't be trying to make big trades. You know what I'm saying? Make the $25, $50, $75 trades and be good. No, I trade, my account size depends on the cushion that I have. It doesn't really depend. It kind of depends on the account size, but more so the cushion. So like I have a old $25,000 trade account that I've had for a while now. The cushion in that one is enough to where I can do 2, 3 contracts of minis and be just fine. But a brand new 25K account, I wouldn't dare do more than one contract. And a brand new 25K PA account, I don't even trade minis. I don't even trade minis on a brand new 25K account. I go straight micros. But I have 25K accounts that I've had so long, I'll trade 2, 3 minis on it without a problem. How does one go about studying? Hold on, my dog is going crazy. I want to say there's Amazon at the door. Hold on. Hey, look. Yeah, my dog get a little upset when people come to the door. Come here, buddy. Yeah, but how do you go about studying? Right there at the bottom, mhtacademy.com. mhtacademy.com. That's all I can tell you. I can teach you. You can learn the way I teach. That will be a big help. I have students that have taken my class that have PA accounts now that are decent traders that do make money. That's the best I can tell you. But pay somebody. If you don't want to pay for my course, pay somebody. Because there's way too much money in here for you to not learn this, honestly. And I'm not trying to break the bank. My course is not even that expensive, and I accept payment plans. Klarna, Afterpay, whatever. Is on a website, whatever's accepted. I think it's Klarna and Afterpay, I want to say. It might be another one. But yeah, just go to mhtacademy.com or you can go to mhtacademy.net if you want to go straight to the payment. The course isn't really a time frame. It's self-paced. So you can watch the videos as many times as you want. But the videos are broken down into parts so that you don't sit here and watch one 4-hour video and you just like, oh Lord, attention span gone. Let me look on my phone. Let me look on TikTok. I broke it down to where the videos aren't too long because I don't want you to get mesmerized by one long video and be like, oh, this is horrible. Dry eyes, get the dry out. You know, I wanted to make them couple minutes, 30, 40 minutes, boom, go to the next one. 30, 40 minutes. I think the longest video might be an hour. I don't know. I got to check it again. But you're not going to watch the video one time and be like, oh, that's it. I'm ready to trade. It's not going to happen like that. But because when you become a student of mine, I do practice with you on Saturdays. So all the students are on Zoom on Saturday and we practice together. And I go over a couple strategies. I might go over a couple things that are not in the course that are also good strategies that are easy to learn. I just didn't put it in the course because I didn't want to put too much sauce in the course. Because if I put more into the course, I'm going to have to charge more. And I'm trying to keep it at an affordable rate. Because what people don't understand is, even though, there's free information out there, of course, the free information is not structured in a way that's easy to watch and understand. It's not put in one area, for one. And I have to pay for marketing. I have to pay for Teachable. To even use Teachable, I have to pay for it. So I charge enough to where I can make a profit from it, but I'm not profiting from it, if that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? It's not like, oh, my whole livelihood is the course, and if I don't sell a course, I don't make any money. I can't feed my family. No, nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? It's priced at a point where it's affordable. It's priced at a point where it's even worth it for me, because it got to be worth it for me to even teach you. And, most of my money is made from day trading and the other things that I do to make money. Like, I'm an affiliate marketer. I do affiliate marketing. I make good money off of affiliate marketing as well. You know what I'm saying? But I wanted a course to where it didn't break your pockets. It got to the point, it taught you how to actually make money, not just explain what futures are, but this is how you make money with futures. Boom, do this, practice this. Let's get together on the weekend. Y'all can ask your questions. Let's get it done. You know what I'm saying? Because I want people to make money at the end of the day. Look at this red line. Now, you still took a lot of heat down here. You took some heat here, but still, that red line still hold faithful. It went right back up. Look, the red line, it closed below it. You know what I'm saying? But then it ultimately went right back above it. Well, give me 1 second. Let me check the door. Rental car road. Yeah. All right. All right. See what the hell going on here. I get packages like every day. I get packages every day in the mail. I don't know if you can have any knives online, so it's just gonna have to work. I mean, it's possible. Let me look at the daily. You say on ES? Let's look at ES. Let's look at ES, shall we? I used to love ES. I used to trade ES faithfully. Let's trade. Let's look at what ES Tom at. You got it right, Ray. ES is definitely slow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. See, I told you I trade. I trade because I like toys. I got some new toys. Got a new toy. Hey, 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 hey. Oh man, this is where all my trade money goes. All the money I make trading goes to stuff like this. Outstanding. Outstanding. You know it. Gotta fill it up, right? The website for the course is mhtacademy.com. Come on in, Chris. Hey, look, I got you, dog. Chris, I got you. I'm gonna help you learn how to do this. You know what I'm saying? Day trading made it helped me get to the point where I was home with my son. By the time he was 1 year old, I was home. I was an at-home father. I was able to be home, make money online, make money trading. 100%. I left my career in 2021. Hey, Ray, I already got a whole box. I already got a whole box. I ordered a whole bunch of them. Because we about to go to the range and have a good time. Oh, we about to have a good time. We gonna have a good time with this boy right here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm gonna be at the range tomorrow. And I'm gonna post it on my new YouTube page. I do have a new YouTube page that is gonna be more centered around the fun things I do, like that right there. You know what I'm saying? Couple pum pums going on, a little bit of pum pums. America, you got it right, Zeke. that's why that's why I live here. Simulation range. Simulation range. Is it real fire and you just like kind of simulate like situations that could happen? Oh, infrared. Oh, infrared ones. Okay. Oh, you had to retire early from the old career. Understood. Hey, look, it's fun. Day trading is fun. You know what I'm saying? Like, as long as you're a patient person, you have discipline, you can get in here and learn and pick this stuff up very quickly. That's all. You could do it very quickly. You just have to be ready for it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I could definitely see ES hitting the all-time high. This is where ES currently is. ES is currently right here, and it got to go up to here to hit the all-time high. Oh, that's it could do that in no time. This is a daily chart, mind you. This is daily chart, so it could definitely get up there, and it could definitely get up there in no time. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but it can get up there. I can definitely see that. Yeah, it could definitely do that. Same thing with ES. This is, I mean, NQ. This is NQ. This is the NQ high right here. This is NQ high from here to here. NQ and ES move damn near the same. Well, they don't move the same as far as the speed, but the directions, like the way they're set up, they look damn near identical. Look, they look pretty much identical. E, ES and NQ look almost identical. It's just the reason why I like to trade NQ because it moves faster, but at the end of the day, the direction is almost the same as ES. Yeah, ES is the S&P 500. Yep. Oh, they let me know that my item has been delivered. Thank you for letting me know my item has been delivered. Look at the market going down. Look at that. Look at that. A nice little droppity drop drop. What's going on, man? Hey Jay, I just got a special delivery today. Just got a special delivery today. Special delivery. We going to the range, baby. We are going to the range tomorrow. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Ski. I posted a couple videos on my new YouTube earlier about it. About my new buddy, my new toys. Cause y'all do have a new YouTube that's focused more on um the fun side of being able to trade and make money online and you know be able to make money without having to clock into work or make extra money. If you have a 9 to 5 that you enjoy, there's ways to make extra money. Oh, did you tell me his name? Did you send him your link? Because as long as you send him your link, then it'll automatically send you. Well, I think it's after a month. It'll send you uh, the portion of it. Okay, I can dig it. Thank you, Ebony, so much. Love the support. Yeah, I gotta. That's what I gotta do, man. Jay, I gotta get you on that affiliate marketing stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? Because between Apex, between like even the stuff that you tell me, like you should definitely be getting paid from the companies for telling people about those companies. That's all affiliate marketing is. You told me about the bot. You should have had been able to set up a affiliate program with that bot. I mean, even well, what's name told me about the bot before you, but still, you still was like, yo, this bot is good. You know what I'm saying? He didn't give me a code. You could be like, well, here's my code. You know what I'm saying? Like, and that's all you got to do with affiliate marketing. People are already interested in it. Be like, hey, look, here's my code. Go ahead and get it. Type in my code, get your discount. That's it. That's all affiliate marketing is. They're going to buy it anyway. It's just you get a little piece of it for telling them about it. It's marketing. Companies pay for marketing. Companies pay millions for marketing. So why not get paid for marketing those companies? Yeah, you can. You can. I do it. I do it. Shoot. You can make you I think I cleared I think I cleared probably between all the affiliate marketing that I do, I think I cleared about 36 last year. I mean, I'll find out as soon as I get my taxes done, but just looking over my paperwork, I cleared about 36K on just affiliate marketing. How's the bot that I'm testing? It's doing pretty good, honestly. It's crazy looking, but it's been doing its thing. That's the bot right there. It does pretty good. Excuse me. I'll be posting more videos. I'm gonna record some videos of it trading and everything, and I'm gonna start posting those videos so people can see what it looks like, how it trades. You know what I'm saying? Just get more. You know, the main thing is just figuring out the settings and making sure you got the right settings for what you wanted to do. But it's been doing its thing. Look, there you go. Jay told you right there. He made 1K, 2 micros. 1K with 2 micros. What more can I say? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna record. I'm gonna do some recording and post more videos about it. Um, you know what I'm saying? You know, but hey Jay, please tell me you worked out the affiliate marketing with him. You got to do it. You got to do it. Put you up on game. If you didn't reach out to him yet, oh, you on it? All right. All right. See, hey, I'm no gatekeeper. I want people to be successful in everything they do. There's way too much money out here to not get it. You know what I'm saying? And what you got to understand, one man bag is not going to stop you from getting your bag. You know what I'm saying? He used the same bot that I got. I'll send you the link, Ray. I'll send you the link to it. I'll send you a trial and everything. You could try it out for yourself. I just got the trial link. He just sent me a trial link. I think Sunday. Yeah, yeah. Inbox me so I remember. Just inbox me trial. That way I remember who to send it to. Yeah, it's crazy now. I love it. I love it. And the best thing about it, it's a one-time payment. One time. You only gotta pay just one time. Y'all see that doji? Y'all look at that doji. Boy, look at that damn doji. That doji said, we going up. You. We going up. You. Boy, the market has been moving the way the market's supposed to move. That mug closed and said doji. I would have said buy. Give me that. Let me buy the market right now. Locked in. Locked in. Boy, 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 boy. My cousin did too. My cousin did too. When he told me, I said, hey, look, I got about 3 people. I said, I got about 3 people that need that thing right now. He said, just send me their name. I said, bet. He said, you hopped on cracking up. What's up, Charity? Hey, look, the market move. Hey, look, did it not move the way it's supposed to move? The market said, I'm going down. It said, hey, I'm going to close on a doji. Hey, if you know what I know, doji mean the market going to change direction. That's some more game for you. I'll let you know. I don't care. Doji mean the market going to change direction. Look what happened. It closed at a doji. Soon as that next candle opened, I would have bought the market. Buy. Win, lose, or draw, trust your education. Win, lose, or draw, trust your education. I'll show you where you get that from. If you want to catch up, you got to use your mind. I know that's right. I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to show y'all. I ain't lying to you. I am not lying to you. I'll show you. I am not lying to you. I may tell a story, but I'll never tell a lie. I may tell a story, but I will never tell a lie. Look at that. Y'all see it going down? Y'all see that little doji? Let me try to zoom this up, build it up, lift it up a little bit. Y'all see it right here? Y'all see it going down? I'll draw it for you. I'll draw it for you. Just so you can see it a little bit better. You better look out. Look at that. See that thing going down? And this is a doji, right? See it going up? This is a doji down. See it going down? That's a doji up. You know what I'm saying? See it going down? Here's a doji up. Bruh, you could Google that. You could Google that. You could Google that. You could Google that. Wasn't no secret. I mean, it's a secret if you don't know what you're looking for. But that's all we just did. That's all we just did. What up, user 12? That's all we just did right here. I'm going to point it out to you. I'm pointing out to you. Look, the market was going down. Here's your little doji. Go up. That's it. Don't get no simpler than that. Oh, we ain't gonna have no slow summer. Hell no. Hey, hey, Trump got in office was like, right? He writing all types of shit. Thank you, Charity. I appreciate it. Hey, they're also making it to where if you have a concealed license in one state, it's going to be good in all 50. If you have a concealed license in one state, it is going to be good in all 50. Go get your concealed license right now. Because once they pass that, I can almost guarantee you the cost is going to go up. The cost is going to go up. I am big on Second Amendment. Look, I'm big on Second Amendment. I got all types of stickers. I'm big on Second Amendment. I got all types of stickers and stuff that, look, y'all better go ahead and get y'all concealed right now because the price going to go crazy if you don't. Hey, that's all right, Jay. But see, Jay, you different, okay? Even if they go up on the price, you going to have the money. If they go up on the price, you going to have the money. What you tripping about? We rich. We got lawyers. Yes, you don't need it in Texas, but you got to leave Texas sometime. What if you leave Texas? You know what I'm saying? Get your concealed license because it's going to be good in all 50 states. I don't think you heard me. I travel with mine. I literally go to the airport, doot, 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 to the airport. When I go to check my bag in, I say, hey, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 firearms with me. They say, put them on the table. Let me look at them. I put them on the table. Clack, pow. I let them look at the case. They look at it. All right, you good. They check it in. Pick them up when I get to the next airport. I go to the back. They hand me my firearm. Good, you good to go, sir. I travel with mine everywhere I go. Everywhere I go, if the state has reciprocity with North Carolina, I'm bringing it. Not every state has reciprocity with North Carolina. This new law is going to make it, if you have it in one state, it is good in all 50. So that means I'll be able to go to all 50 with mine instead of just 20. I think it's like 29 of them or something. I think only 29 states now, but the new law will make all 50. You quitting 9 to 5 this year. Hey, I could dig it. Hey, y'all don't rush to quit your 9 to 5. Quit when you are able to. Don't rush the process because I don't want y'all quitting your 9 to 5, then gonna be like, oh, please can I have it back? Oh, please can I get my job back? Don't do that. Don't do that to yourself. Because first of all, pride will tear your ass up. Pride will tear that ass up. You know what I'm saying? Leave when you good and ready. When you got the money coming in, when you nice and stocked up. Oh yeah, we were just talking about it. Excuse me. Yeah, if you want to get a test trial of it, just inbox me. I'll send you a trial. I'll send you the link to download the test version of it. But yeah, I think it's good enough to where I can start sharing it with people, and they start getting the test version. I just wanted to I just wanted to run it first. You know what I'm saying? Because like before I even like the other bot that I used to use, before I started telling anybody about it, I had it for like 2 months before I even shared it with anybody. This one I've had for about a month now, but I love it. I love it. I'm like, yo, I'm good. I'm Gucci on it. It takes some time for you to figure out the settings as far as like which because the guy that designed it, he gives you some average settings. He's not really a I don't think he's really high on the end of picking the perfect numbers. He more so like, look, these are some starter numbers. Start with these numbers first, and then you could kind of build it out from there. Yeah, it kind of come with a pamphlet, like to understand what the bot is doing and stuff like that. Um, but you can always hit me up. I could give you a couple pointers that I have. But yeah, it come with like a book and stuff like that. I might do a little. I'm gonna reach out to him and I might do a little tutorial video. You know what I'm saying? I might do it like that because it ain't my bot. You know what I'm saying? So I could do a tutorial on how I use it, I'll send it to him to make sure he's cool with it, and I'll just do it that way. That way, when I send you the trial link, I can start sending people the trial link and my video with his pamphlet or his little booklet that comes with it. You know what I'm saying? Because I want people to be able to use it and understand what they're doing. You can't. It's not one of those bots where you could just click whatever you want to do and just let it go run crazy. You really have to know what you're doing. Set the settings. Boom, let it go. Oh yeah, yeah. See, that's what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna run it on ES tomorrow. Oh, the setup is easy. Setup is cake. Well, when I send you the link and you download it, whatever, you be like, that's it. Damn. All right, cool. Seems simple enough. Yeah, he told me it was a beast on ES. I think that's what he originally created it for. But like, I don't trade ES. But guess what? I'm gonna run that damn bot on ES. Yes, I am. Yes, I'm gonna put his own little ES chart over there in the cut, chilling, and I'm just gonna run ES. Yes, I am. Right on over there. When somebody loves you back. Nah, I didn't watch the inauguration. I seen the clips of it. Look, man, say what y'all want, right? To me, I think Trump is hilarious. It's dangerous. It's dangerous, but he's hilarious. He's dangerous, but man, he's hilarious. Just his facial expressions, you know what I'm saying? Be funny. Yeah, he's definitely entertaining in a scary way, though. I think he understands that too. Yeah, it's entertaining because it's real. It's real life. Like, yo, did he really just do that? Did he really just say that? Did he really just partner with that person? Did he really just sign that into a bill? Wow, he really did that. That's crazy. You know what I'm saying? It's like this guy is fucking mad. I'm a newbie to futures trading, so the bots and eval prop firm terms are so fascinating to me. Hey, look, it was fascinating to me, Janetta. You know what I'm saying? I was fascinated. I was fascinated too. And I got right to it. I got right to it and I had to do it. It's fun over here. It's fun over here. Um, I have a course. I teach you all that stuff. I teach you bots, evals, prop firms. I teach you how to get to the bag. It's very simple. I don't want to make it. I don't want to say it's very simple, as in like you're just gonna buy my class and be a millionaire next week. No, the it's the simple part about it is the rules. The rules are simple. If you see this, the market is gonna do this. If you see this, normally means the market is gonna do this. When you see this, put a line here. If you see this, put a block here. If the market does this, you do this. Very simple. If the market does this, you do this. Don't do this. Don't do that. Don't do this. That's really all the market is. Don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do that. You follow these rules, you'll be good to go. Don't overtrade. Don't revenge trade. Have patience. Okay? Be disciplined. Those four simple rules will save you a lot of time. Don't overtrade. Don't revenge trade. Have patience. Have discipline. And you pretty much everything else is just on you. You have 100 million in a year. I appreciate that, Janetta. I try to have a good vibe. Oh yeah, yeah, I did see the Detroit pastor. Yeah, even if you don't like him, you gotta respect him. You right about that. You know what I'm saying? As I said, like honestly, it's not really him I don't like. It's more so the people that are empowered by him. What I don't really is the people I don't like. You know what I'm saying? It's not necessarily him. It's the people that are empowered by him that bothers me. Made a small trade ATM for choppy markets. Yeah, yeah. Create a decent ATM just for the choppy. Yep. Look, Chris. Hey, Chris is learning everything. Not only is Chris learning what I'm teaching, she's coming with her own little tactics to make things pop off. You know what I'm saying? Made a quick 30. Who have ever said that? A quick 30? That's crazy. Oh, the market was beautiful today. Oh, the market was smooth. And that's the funny thing about it. Like most people have never made $30. Most people have never had a job that pays $30 an hour, right? But if you really wanted to, you could build an ATM strategy, just like Chris said. She has an ATM strategy to make a quick 30. Quick 30. You could look at this market every once 1 hour, every hour and say, buy $30. Come back an hour later, sell $30. Come back an hour later, buy, sell $30. You can literally make $30 an hour by just creating an ATM strategy, a $30 ATM strategy, and look for a good place in the market to buy and sell every hour. You can literally do that. If you want to make $30 an hour, every hour, just set an alarm clock for every hour. Come in this market and be like, all right, if the market come here, I'm going to buy. If the market come here, I'm going to sell. And you can literally pop $30, pop 30, 30, 30. You can do that 8 hours a day. There you go, $30 an hour. You can really do that. She said, hey, look, you were right. As soon as I got online, she was like, I'm going to boot back up. I'm about to see this. Let me get this quick 30 real quick. Let me get this 30 a piece. People think $30 is not a lot of money. You crazy. If you have a job and I can show you how to make $50 a day, do you know that is $1,000 a month? I can show you how to make $1,000 a month in this market. And that $1,000 a month equals $12,000 a year. So if you got a job, by just following a simple strategy of $50 a day, I can literally teach you how to make $12,000 a year. That's just extra pocket money. I'm not saying you're gonna live off of $12,000 a year by any means, but if you already have a 9 to 5 and I show you how to make an extra $50 a day, that equates to $12,000 a year. So if you're currently making $40,000 a year at your 9 to 5, I'm gonna show you how to bring that to 52 total. You know how much more 40,000 to 52,000 a year is? That is a nice raise. That is an awesome raise. I can show you how to give yourself a raise. Stop asking your boss to give you a raise. F your boss. Tell your boss to go lick a boot. my last 2 years working a job, I didn't ask for a raise at all. My last 2 years working at my old job, my old career, I didn't ask for a raise at all. They gave us 2 raises. I didn't even recognize it. I didn't even realize they gave me a raise because I was making enough money in the market to where I didn't give a damn about a raise. I didn't feel like humbling myself, being like, can I have a meeting with you? Can we schedule a what do they call it? An evaluation? Sir, ma'am, sir, can I get a $10 raise an hour or a $5 raise? I didn't feel like begging for no goddamn money. You know what I'm saying? I was like, I'm not begging for no money, bruh. My last 2.5 years at work, they probably was like, why he asked for no raise? It's been almost 3 years. He ain't asked for no raise yet. They just gave us a yearly raise. Everybody else was like, man, I'm gonna ask for a raise. We should all go in there together and ask for a raise. I was like, bro, I don't give a damn if they give me a raise or not. I make plenty money in the stock market. I didn't give 2 dams. And when I quit, they was like, do you want us to give you another raise? They was like, we did give y'all a raise. That, what can we do to make you stay? Or, is it something on our end that we could do to, maybe sway you to stay a little longer? And I was like, y'all gave me a raise? For real? I didn't even notice that raise. That's why I'm leaving. That is why I'm leaving. Because y'all gave me a raise that my ass ain't even recognized. Exactly. Got a 2% raise. Now, don't get me wrong. A raise is great. A raise is great. I don't want to make it seem like a raise is not great. But if I tell you that I can show you how to give yourself a raise, you won't worry about what that job could do no more. You'll go to work happy as hell every day. You'll go to work happy as hell every day. I know how to trade the stock market, baby. I can make $50 a day. No job is gonna give you a $50 raise a day I can almost guarantee you that. No job is going to give you $50 a day raise. None of them. They might give you that on average, a job gives you 3% a year. 3% raise a year. No job is going to give you $50 a day raise. That's that's over $1,000 a month. Go to your job and say, what do I got to do to make $1,000 extra a month? Your job will tell you, go find another job. That's what the hell you could do. If you want to make an extra $1,000 a month, you need to go find you another job. That's what you're gonna do. They're not gonna get that to you. But if you get in this market and you learn enough to just do $50 a day, that's $1,000 a month. You ain't gotta work hard. Give me some shares of Apple. I don't even have no shares of Apple. I don't even have no shares of Apple. I sold all my shares of Apple. All I got is the big dogs now. NASDAQ, S&P, Dow Jones, Russell. I got a couple buildings. 99-cent raise. 99-cent raise. God damn it. God damn it. I want to slap somebody. But hey, look, 99 cents, hey, give it to me. Go and give it to me. I'll take it though. Don't get me wrong now. 2%, give it to me. 99 cents, give it to me. I'll take that too. I don't turn down money, but damn it, I can teach you how to get your money. I can teach you how to give yourself a raise. Yeah, yeah. Exactly. And that's what I'm saying. That's why when people be like, $50 a day is not a lot of money. Somebody got on my live last week of saying that $50 a day ain't a lot of money. I said, all right, go to your job and ask them to give you $50 a day then. Since $50 ain't a lot, go to your job and ask for it. I bet you they laugh your ass right up out that office. They're like, man, if you don't get up out my office, I'm with some $50 a day. Yeah, come on. Hey, look, Mr. H, not Mr. H, mhtacademy.com. My course is there. Oh, yeah, there you go. Oh, so you already know how to trade. You already know how to trade. Hey, look, you already on the right path of trading. You good to go, shoot. Got a little mtume. Mtume. Hey, Janetta here getting to the bag. How long have you been trading so far? It's still confusing. Well, my course, I have an option for afterpay. I think it's afterpay and Klarna. You know what I'm saying? So you don't need to have to kick out a lot of money since last week, and you already made 225. Okay, hey, look, that's what's up. You know what I'm saying? I got to give a cheer to that. But check it. The course, since you already started trading, right? The course is only 350. It's only 350. Make sure you type in code early. It's 350. You get access to my Discord group. I practice every Saturday at 12 with my students. If that time does not work for you, I can see, I'll put out fillers to see what time works best for others. Um, I still got to do some videos from the last two sessions. I just don't, I want to put them in the course. I might put them in there. What I'm going to do, I decided to, whatever we go over on the Saturday, I'm going to put it in the course for a week. Let y'all watch it, get it, understand it, and then I'm gonna take it down because I don't want to leave it permanently in the group. You know what I'm saying? But I'll be practicing. I practice with the students. Oh, there we go. Get into the party life. What y'all know about that? That was on that Jay-Z joint. Oh, we got to bump that. They look fly. Y'all know about that. The best times to use the bot, anytime. I I ran that bot all different times, all which way. That mug make money anytime that damn market open. It does work better when it's more volatile. I ain't gonna lie, but that mug be getting to it. I ain't yeah, literally anytime. To the party life. I don't know about being that good. I think it's just not picky. It's not a picky bot. You know what I'm saying? It's not a picky bot. It's like, you want me to trade now? You now? Okay, watch this. Da, 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 da. There's some money, dog. You want me to trade right now? Right now? All right, I'll trade right now. Brrr. There's some money, dog. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not saying it doesn't lose, but it is not picky about what time it trades. You know what I'm saying? You want me to trade now? All right, click the button. Trade. All right, let's go. You just gotta play. It's just the numbers you gotta play around with. That's all. Just adjust the numbers a little bit, test it out, see what you like best. Oh, it's going good, Chris. I'm gonna do a I'll probably do a video today and at least post it in the I'll probably post it in the Discord, and I'm gonna post it on here too, but I'm gonna post it in the Discord as well because I can answer more questions on Discord. Inbox me, Jason. Inbox me. I'll send you the try. I'll send you a trial link and everything. Oh no, he trades the market. I think he's more, but he's more obviously on the developer side. But he trades as well. He knows what he's doing. Yeah, there's so many different bots out there. Like, there's a bunch of them. You just got to know which ones you want to use. But yeah, just inbox me. I'll send y'all. I'll send y'all the links. I'll send y'all the links and everything to download the trial. See if you like it, how it works. You know what I'm saying? And you'll have his information. That way you can reach out to him. It's not like I'm keeping him in my pocket. You know what I'm saying? I'll just send. It's just easier for me to just send y'all the link. You download. You know what I'm saying? You'll get an email and you could reach out and talk to him all you want. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? It's not like it's not like he's a little scientist in a room. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, and actually I gotta slide out of here because it's 3, and I gotta go get my son because he does not want to be in school anymore. He's like, I'm done. School is over at 2:30. Come get me at 3. So I'm about to go snatch him up. But it was great, guys. I am gonna shoot that video of the bot later on today. I'll post that. I'm gonna respond to all y'all with the inbox. I'm gonna send y'all a link to go ahead and get the trial version of the bot so y'all can test it out for yourself. Um, it's free to test it. You know what I'm saying? Because you can only run it on your on a simulation. You only can run it on a simulation account in the trial period anyway. But run it as much as you want. Run it in different times. Live market. You could load up a previous day and test it out. Run it. Run the crap out of it. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, appreciate that. Appreciate it, Jeanette. We got to give a cheer for that. Go ahead and sign up. We're gonna get you right. I'll send you the invite to the Discord and everything. But yeah, let me go ahead and go because I gotta go pick up little man, and he's gonna be pissed if I get there late. But I will see everybody tomorrow. Let y'all know how that market be with this new regime in office. I'll see you guys later. Yeah, I'm gonna get all those emails, those inboxes. I got y'all. Of a few times. think you better let it go. Looks like another love TKO. Nigga, what? I think you better let it go. Looks like another love TKO. Another love TKO, baby.